What it do, YouTube? Hey, one time for the one time, it is your girl Minnie and I am back at it with another flipping video. And today, I'm doing a neon, checkered, rainbow look, cotton candy, skittle, whatever you want to call this look. And I'm very happy with this look. I feel real vibrant and real sexy with this look. And this is very simple and easy. Like, it wasn't even that hard. If you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Anytime me and my boyfriend upload a new video. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into this video. So I did my eyebrows in one eye off the camera because I did not know what I wanted to do. So this is like a checkered type vibe. I'm gonna prime my face with the Fenty primer. Ooh, that's a lot. I'm gonna use the Starstruck foundation stick because I like the way it looked last time. Set my face using the Jouer. I'm gonna conceal my face using the Fenty concealer. Then I'm gonna go in with the Starstruck contour powder.
but you never, ever, ever bring me down.
This is the finished look. I'm very happy with this look. The green, the neon green is the only thing that I had a problem with, but everything else is Gucci, baby. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Smash that like button, guys. Until next time, peace.